Hello everyone, this is Surbhi from Mumbai. I hope you all are safe and doing really good. So today I'm making this video to share my experience with FCA, which is Forever Star India Awards. Talking about FCA, it's one of the biggest pageant, it's one of the best platform where you can showcase your talent, and not just the best platform, but you can also say that it's one of the first step towards being Miss India or Mrs. India. Yes. So I have enrolled with FCA for Miss India contest. I have known FCA since couple of months. Luckily, I cleared my introduction round with the help of FCA only. I love this thing about them that they provide us so many details and so small details as well. They have so many Zoom sessions. They will help you about from your head to toe. They are going to provide every details to you about your attire, about your hairs, about the walk, about the makeup and everything, even about the background. Not everyone tells you all the small details, but they do matter a lot, not now or maybe later, but at some point of life they are going to help you very much. And if you're really looking anything forward for in this profession of Miss India and all, you should surely go through this site. It's really beautiful, it's really nice, and it's just so sorted. The people through FCA, they are so professional and so calm, even handling their professional life. They are helping us with all these small details. I feel so lucky that I've been a part of it. There are so many contestants from so many cities, so many states, like so many beautiful women having so much beautiful talents. There are doctors, dancers, mothers, and many more. I feel myself really lucky, and it doesn't feel like a competition anymore, but it feels like they are a family. It's really nice to have a family like that, and not just Miss India or Mrs. India, but if you could just go through the portal of the website of FCA, you are going to find out that there are not just Miss and Miss India, but many more other competitions as well, like the real superheroes, the real superwomen. Also for that, they have like city winners, state winners, and many more. I'm really glad that I've been a part of it. I'm really glad that I got a chance to participate in such a big pageant, and they are just helping me a lot. Currently, I've just had couple of months only because about the introduction round. Another many rounds are coming through and waiting for the same. I feel that I'm just going to make it big only with the help of FCA. They are going to help me a lot. They have helped me now as well. Whatever professionalism or whatever small details they have provided to me daily in the daily life, I've been it has been really helpful to me. I feel so nice. And if you're not yet a part of FCA, or else you are just looking anything in that professional line, you should surely visit the site. You're going to get so many details. Thank you so much.